Science Chapter 6 Physical and Chemical Changes. Class 7 Exercise. Question number 1. Classify the change involved in the flowing process as physical or chemical changes. A. Photosynthesis. B. Dissolving sugar in water. C. Burning of coal. D. Melting of wax. E. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. F. Digestion of food. Answer. Physical change. B. Dissolving sugar in water. D. Melting of wax. E. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. Chemical change. A. Photosynthesis. C. Burning of coal. F. Digestion of food. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the corrected statement in your notebook. A. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. True, false. B. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. True, false. C. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. True, false. D. D. Iron and rust are the same substances. True, false. E. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. True, false. Answer. A. Cutting of log of wood into piece is a chemical change. False. B. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. False. C. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. True. D. Iron and rust are the same substances. False. E. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. True. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statement. A. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of dash. B. The chemical name of baking soda is dash. C. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. D. Changes in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical change. E. Change in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. Answer. A. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. B. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, NaCO3. C. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are greasing and galvanization. D. Changes in which only physical properties of a substance changes are called physical change. E. Changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. Question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Answer. This is a chemical change as new products are formed. Baking soda plus lemon juice reaction, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. When acid react with carbonates, salt is formed releasing carbon dioxide and water. Question number 5. When a candle turns, both physical and chemical change take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Answer. Chemical change. On heating, candle wax gets melted is a physical change since it again turns into solid wax on cooling. Chemical change. The wax near to flame turns and give new substance like carbon dioxide, carbon soot, water vapor, heat and light. Cooking of food is another example where both physical and chemical changes occur. Question number 6. How would you show the setting of cut as is a chemical change? Answer. Setting of cut is a chemical change since a new substance, lactic acid, is formed which differs in taste from the original substance, fat and protein. Milk also, the change is irreversible. Cut cannot be converted into milk. Question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Answer. Burning of wood is a chemical change because wood on burning converted to new substances like as carbon dioxide, gas, water vapor, heat and light. Thus, the change is irreversible. While cutting of wood in smaller pieces is a physical change because the original composition of wood does not change. No new substances are formed. Question number 8. Describe how crystal of copper sulfate are prepared. Answer. Crystal of copper sulfate are prepared as follow. Take a water in a beaker and add new drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Heat the water. When it starts boiling, add copper sulfate powder slowly with continuous stirring. Continue adding copper sulfate powder till saturation level. Filter the solution and left for cooling. Leave undistributed the solution when it is cooling. We can observe the crystal of copper sulfate after few hours. Question number 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevent it from rusting. Answer. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and water for water vapor is required. The coat of the paint prevents direct contact of iron with air and oxygen and thus prevent it from rusting. Question number 10. Explain why rusting of iron object is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. Answer. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and moisture water vapor is required in coastal area. The quantity of moisture content in air is highly humid as compared to desert region, low humid. So the rusting becomes faster in coastal area. Question number 11. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas. Change A. Then it burns. Change B. The following statement pertain to this change. Choose the correct one. First, process A is a chemical change. Second, process B is a chemical change. Third, both process A and B are chemical change. Fourth, none of this process is a chemical change. Answer. Second, process B is a chemical change. Question number 12. An anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. Change A. The biogas is then burnt as fuel. Change B. The following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. A. Process A is a chemical change. B is a chemical change. And third, both process A and B are chemical change. Fourth, none of this process is a chemical change. Answer. Third, both process A and B are chemical change.